Exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs, can provide a convenient way to invest in multiple companies, bonds, or other investment types, all with one simple share market trade. To explain how an ETF works, let's look at an example of one that is made up of shares from a group of companies, such as the 10 largest companies on a stock exchange. In this example, the ETF buys shares in each of the companies in proportion to the index. The aim of the ETF is to then mirror the overall performance of those 10 companies so that when shares in each of the companies go up, the value of the ETF should go up, and vice versa. However, there are a number of factors that can impact its ability to do this, and it varies from ETF to ETF, so it's important you understand its makeup. By owning shares in an ETF that's made up of a group of companies, you own a piece of that ETF, rather than the individual shares in the companies it contains. If the ETF is made up of a wide range of companies from different industry types or sectors, it could provide you the benefit of spreading your risk, without having to choose and manage individual shares yourself. On the other hand, if it's heavily invested in one area, like one industry, your risks may not be as well spread. ETFs may also help you reduce the amount of brokerage you pay, as you don't have to buy shares in each company in the ETF separately. Plus, the management fees are typically lower than those charged by managed funds. What's more, ETFs are transparent investments, as you can see exactly which companies it contains. They're also simple to buy and sell, because they're traded on the share market like shares. But like shares, their pricing can vary based on supply and demand. Like any investment, when you're buying an ETF, it's important you're able to make an informed decision. You're comfortable with the risks and understand if it's right for you. You may also wish to seek financial advice. If you decide that ETFs are right for you, ASB Securities online share trading makes it easy to buy and sell ETFs listed on the New Zealand and Australian stock exchanges. You also have access to the latest market information and pricing for specific ETFs. When you're ready to invest, simply log into ASB Securities and away you go. To find out more about exchange-traded funds, visit ASB Securities now.